To grow interior designing business, and we are talking about Google reviews. This is Nitin from estimatezen.com, and we are talking about importance of benefits of Google review or online review. I have helped so many contractors and few interior designers in setting up their Google business page. It takes few minutes. Once you have Google business page, all your customers can write Google reviews on it. Right? So, how much does it cost to make Google? How much does it cost to set up the Google business page and get Google reviews? The cost is zero. Okay, and how much time is required in calling your customers, all your past customers, and maybe follow up with them? Maybe some of the customers will forget, so you have to call them 2 times, 3 times. The time required is very, very little. Okay. See, if you want to grow your business, there are various things you will have to do to promote it. There are various activities you will have to do the marketing. And Google reviews is the most incredible way of marketing. Return on investment for Google reviews is incredible because first of all, cost kitna lagta hai? Cost is zero. There's no kharcha. You don't have to spend money. Okay. And second, how much time is required? Very little time is required. You have to call your customers, all your past customers. You have to follow up with them and they will write review. If you have given good service, if you have helped your customers, they will love to write review about you and they will write very positive review about you. Okay, so the return on investment is humongous. Don't delay this particular step. Go for it. Okay. Second thing is, if you already have a website or in future you plan to make a website for your business, Google reviews are going to be very crucial content for your new website. You can display these reviews on your website and they become very important element for your website. In a different video, I spoke about taking small ticket items, small repair work, because you get to do them quickly. You charge them well, okay, but don't shy away from taking small ticket items. And once you have given service to these customers, you make them write reviews. So if you have 100 reviews and even if like 50-60 reviews are for small ticket items, it is all right. If these are positive reviews, overall this particular thing is going to act like your advertisement, a free advertisement for your business. Okay. So I have a different video where I explain the strategy about not shying away from small ticket items. Have a look, check that video, and I'm going to share that link in the description. That is one way of adding more reviews in your Google business page. A lot of contractors and interior designer I talk to, they are into business for last 20 years, 30 years. They don't feel need for having Google reviews. Okay, their stand is that I get all my business by referral. What is the need for Google review? But I'll tell you what happens is you gave service to some customer maybe 10 years or 15 years back, right? Now that family has some new members. Okay, maybe the kid, when you gave the service 15 years back, that kid was small. Now he has become teenager or he has become the decision maker. Okay, so when you get business, it's going to be a joint decision by that particular family. So if you have Google review, if those family members see that on Google review, a lot of people are talking about you and they are very positive about your business, it is going to make decision making in your favor. It is going to help you grow your business. So even if you get business by referral, there is no cost in adding Google reviews. If you have your business for last 20-30 years, fantastic. You have so many past customers. Ask them to write Google review. You find someone who can help you with the process. If you want help from me, just contact me. I'll tell you how to get into Google review process. It is very simple, and you follow up with your customers and start getting reviews. So even if you get your business by referral, Google review or online reviews are equally important, and they are only going to help you to grow your business. So don't delay it, because your your competitors are already doing it. So if you don't do it, if you say that I don't need it or maybe I'll do it later, you know what, your competitors are already doing it. Your competitors are asking their customers to write reviews about their business. Okay, so don't get left out. Talk to your past customers, follow up with them and ask them to write Google review. And if you need any help regarding this process, you contact me. I will be very happy to help you set up the Google business page. I'll share, there are a couple of videos which if I share, or you can find yourself, and they will explain. The process is very easy, but start adding Google reviews for your business.